Hello everyone, I posted on Instagram this picture with these beautiful pancakes and I asked you if you want to see a video on YouTube with this recipe and you guys said yes, so here is the video. The first thing that you need for this amazing pancake is 2 eggs and you need to separate them, egg whites, separate the egg white, and I'm just doing this for the 2 eggs. This recipe is so easy to make and I guarantee that you will not fail. It's healthy, it's quick, and what can I say more? It's delicious. And now I'm beating these 2 egg whites, as you can see, and this will help the composition to be fluffy, to have fluffy pancakes. And after I'm doing this, I'm just mashing 1 banana. If it's ripe, it's even better because ripe bananas are better if you're cooking using bananas. And after that, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oat flour, 1 tablespoon of milk, actually 1 tablespoon and another tablespoon of milk. And now I'm adding the eggs, and last but not least I'm adding a teaspoon of baking powder. And now I'm just combining all the ingredients, and now it's time to cook our pancakes. I'm using some coconut oil, and basically if you don't know how you can make oat flour, you just need some oat flakes and put the oat flakes in the blender and you will have this flour. So that's how I made my oat flour. And after you are going to see these bubbles on the pancakes, you just need to check a little bit to see if they're ready to flip. And basically after they cooked on the both parts, I will just add my pancakes on a plate. And now to make this chocolate topping, yes, it's actually healthy, I'm going to use some coconut oil and cocoa powder, and I will combine all of this together. First, I added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, but you are going to see that I'm going to add more coconut oil to make this liquid, to make a liquid composition. So basically I added 4 teaspoons of coconut oil and 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. And look how beautiful these pancakes are. I really love this recipe. And now I'm adding some frozen fruit. You can add fresh fruit, whatever you want. And now it's the time for the topping, and it's actually so satisfying to watch. I don't know about you, but right now I really want to eat these pancakes, and these are delicious, are healthy, and you are not going to believe that yes, this chocolate topping is actually healthy. It doesn't have sugar at all, and you can enjoy some pancakes without thinking that you're eating with sugar or you are going to gain a lot of weight because you're eating some pancakes. But basically that's all I did to make this amazing recipe, and I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Bye guys, have an amazing day, and also if you're trying this recipe, don't hesitate to tag me in a picture because I can't wait to see it. Bye guys!